excited about because it's from one of my most favorite human hair wig makers, and that is BeautyForever Hair. Please consider subscribing as I upload almost, heavy on the almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you are an oldie but goodie, BeautyForever is new to you. They're one of the companies that I recommend the most when people ask me for human hair because they check all three of my boxes. I'm always looking for affordability, is beginner friendly, and the quality, and BeautyForever normally delivers all of those. All I've done was take this out of the shipping packaging because you guys know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So let's unbox this and then take a look at the storage case that BeautyForever has. And now I see more human hair companies are following suit. I do like the soft bowling bag. To me, it makes it easier to store, and you can put other things in here besides wig storage. So it comes in this really nice bowling bag. And then the wig itself, of course, has its silk storage case with BeautyForever's branding on it. And then we have some other extras as well. They have also included some press-on nails, which y'all know I'm press-on queen, some HD wig caps, and an edge band with their branding on it as well. I'm trying to remember what I ordered. Oh, y'all, this is gonna be pretty. I'm just reading these details directly off the packaging, but if you look in that description box, I'll put more down there for you. This is a 13x4 pre-everything wig. It's 24 inches long. It is in the color 33B, and it is my favorite. It is water wave. I also include these pre-everything tabs for this unit, but to be honest, I use these tabs on every wig that I wear if I'm going out of the house. So like I told you guys, there are three things I'm always looking for: affordability, quality, and beginner friendliness. I could tell you two of them right now. Check. Affordability this week was extremely affordable. And also BeautyForever has payment options if you don't want to pay it all up front. I want to say it's like Klarna Afterpay, that type of deal. So super affordable. And then as beginner friendly, this is what I mean when I say beginner friendly. I tend to reach for curly units because I can't comb hair, so body waves and all that, they really ain't my jazz. But with a water wave, Jerry curly, any of those, all I have to do is wet it, so it makes it super beginner friendly. But BeautyForever takes that to another level because it is also a pre-everything wig. And what that means is everything has been done for you. It has been pre-plucked, pre-ducked, pre-everything. Everything has already been done for you. So this is like the best version of a throw and go wig for human hair. I absolutely love their pre-everything wigs. That's right out of the pack. So as far as the cap construction goes, you get that 13x4 parting area, and they've already put some of those pre-everything tabs on there for you. But like I said, they give you a pack. I want to say it's like 25 or 50 to use throughout. You also get an adjustable band in the back and an extended comb, and you get an adjustable elastic band in this wig. This is going to be super, super easy. It's not gonna take me a lot of time at all. All I'm gonna do is spray this down with water, leave-in conditioner, maybe some mousse, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
just to know you and the truth. So come closer, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you, show you something, give you more than words. With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you there.
So I'm back with my final thoughts on this gorgeous, gorgeous wig from BeautyForever Hair. And just like I said, I knew it would check every box. Super affordable, extremely beginner friendly, and totally 100% good quality. This wig is just bomb. So if you have been on the channel before, you know that I have this wig by BeautyForever at this point in just about every color. I have so many versions of black and different lengths. I have blondes and different lengths. And now we have this 33B, and that is because I absolutely love this wig. It is the most throw on and go version of a wig that you can get, in my opinion, and I have reviewed tons of wigs. This one is the best. If you look down in that description box, I'm gonna put all the details about this particular one that I got and a direct link to it, but know that you can get this wig in a different color, in different lengths, and you will like it just as much. In the comments, talk to me. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are on this wig, on this color. Would you purchase this wig? And if you would you wear it in this color, the blonde, the black? Which one? Because I got all of them. Different lengths, from probably 12 to 28 inches. I have these wigs because I love them so much, and they will always be one of my #1 recommendations when someone who's a beginner like me is looking for hair. Talk to me in the comments. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.